My dear teeny tots, this is a new English reader book for standard 3 students. So it is a book for you as a pathfinder, my teeny tots. So please open your chapter 3 and page is 24. So you must have seen this picture, yes or no? Yes. Who is he? He is our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, who is popularly known as Chacha Nehru. Do you know him? Yes, you know him as the Chacha Nehru because his birth date is being celebrated in India as the Children's Day. Understood, my students? So it is a very good chapter. It is a very interesting chapter for you that we will read about our first Prime Minister of Free India. That means in 1947 our country was independent from the British rule. So from that he was the first Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India who was the great leader with our father of nation Mahatma Gandhi, and he became the first Prime Minister of India. So he is the he is the great supporter of our freedom fighter, our Bapuji. Mahatma Gandhi was the father of our nation, whom he supported in his non-cooperation movement, Quit India movement, and to free the India from the British rule. He was a strong supporter of Mahatma Gandhi. So that today we will read about him. That means today we will read its reading, and I will teach you it on tomorrow. Today we will read, and my students, please look your book and sentences which I am reading, and you read with me. That means it will be practice for you for reading. Understood? So chapter 3. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. PT means Pandit. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of Free India. He was born on 14th November 1889. He was born on 14th November 1889 in Allahabad, UP, means Uttar Pradesh. His father, Motilal Nehru, was a famous lawyer and a great patriot. He was educated in England. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was educated in England. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became a barrister and came back to India in 1912. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became a barrister and came back to India in 1912. He came in contact with his political guru Mahatma Gandhi. He came in contact with his political guru Mahatma Gandhi. He assisted Gandhiji in the freedom struggle movement. He assisted Gandhiji in the freedom struggle movement. He was imprisoned many times during the freedom movement. He was imprisoned many times during the freedom movement, but he had a strong willpower. And he strongly believed in the philosophy of non-violence which was taught by Gandhiji. And he strongly believed in the philosophy of non-violence which was taught by Gandhiji. Then you come to the third para. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's dream finally came true on 15th August 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's dream finally came true on 15th August 1947 when India became a free country. When India became a free country, he he became the first prime minister. He became the first prime minister. He brought great industrial development. He brought great industrial development in the country. In the country, he was loved by all. He was loved by all. Nehru was called Chacha Nehru lovingly by children. Nehru was called Chacha Nehru loving by children. He also loved children very much. He also loved children very much. And so his birthday is celebrated, and so his birthday is celebrated every year as Children's Day. His birthday is celebrated every year as Children's Day. So you come to the page 25. He had written three books named Discovery of India, Autobiography, and Glimpses of World History. These books are worth reading. This great leader passed away on 27th May 1964. This great leader passed away on 27th May 1964. Now we have completed our reading the chapter 3, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. So tomorrow we will read, I will discuss you it on tomorrow with the spelling of difficult words and their meanings. Tomorrow we will do it, and if there is any doubt, let me know in our school app or call me in our number. Then I will clarify your doubts, and have a nice day, my teeny tots.